Start.
3 December 1971, the Battle of Ganga. A man who bravely fights against our enemy from Pakistan and sacrifices his life for our nation. A tribal soldier, a Paramveer Chakra, a man who is my role model is Albert Ekta. Hello everyone, myself Siddharth Singh from class 8A. Today I am here to show some lights in the life of Albert Ekta. Albert Ekta, a tribal soldier, he is who is born on a tribal community. He is from Jharkhand. He was born on 27 December 1942 in a tribal family. His dream was to be a soldier, do something for his nation, serve to his nation. In 1962, he joined Indian Army and he started his completing his dream. He served his nation. After joining the army, Battle of Ganga Sagar was placed. Ganga Sagar is a station in East Pakistan. In this area, several bunkers are there, which are made by Pakistan Army. 14 battalions are made to clear that bunkers from that area, and two companies were made, Alpha and Bravo. Alpha and Bravo. Lance Nayak Albert Ekta was a leader of Bravo company. In that dark night, he had to make a way to go to that to go and search that they have to clear, they have to finish that bunker. Suddenly, a man touched a wire and a big explosion made the dark night into a light day. Then our brave soldier, the Paramveer Chakra, Albert Ekta saw a bunker which is near to his tent pit. Then when the lightning happened, all soldiers were stopped. They all were freezed. After saying this, Albert Ekta, then a man who saw them, he said, "Who are there?" Then our brave soldier says, so energetic that तुम्हारा बाप. Then firing started. Our brave soldier Albert Ekta was shot with a bullet in his soldier, and he get injured with that bullet. But he doesn't carry about his pain. He again stand and fight against his enemy. He killed that bunker. He killed those many soldiers. He do something for his nation, and now he is our role model in front of us. The 1857 mutiny was India's first major fight of freedom. Heroes like Lakshmi Bai, Mangal Pandey, and stood against injustice. Albert Ekta, a tribal soldier, continued his legacy in 1971. He fought bravely in the Battle of Ganga Sagar. He died saving his teams. He was awarded to the Paramveer Chakra. His stories teach me to resist injustice, build courage, and serve others. I want to create history lessons that inspire action, one's tribal contributions, and economic civic responsibility. Thank you.